up, y'all? Welcome back to another weekly vlog that ain't so weekly, but we still gonna call them weekly. It is very early. It's 6:36. I'm in my car, also recording front camera on my iPhone, so quality is not gonna be the best for this video, but I like to record my vlogs on my phone because I edit on my phone, so it's just easier for it already to be there. But we're doing a week in my life, my weight loss journey again, because I promised y'all another one once I went to go see my doctor, because I lost so much weight again since I seen her. I lost 65 pounds in 3 months since the last time I seen her. So I just wanted to do this vlog to kind of get her reaction, because she told me I couldn't lose weight without getting surgery, but I lost 120 pounds so far. So yeah, but that's what we're doing today. I have to go see my dermatologist first, and then I go see my PCP. So we got a lot to do today, a lot of doctors to see. My face is super oily because I just did my skincare routine, because I got to make sure my face look good for my dermatologist, even though I don't know, it does look a lot better though. Oh my god, if y'all were on my channel like a year ago, my face was crazy. It looks a lot better now. But I'm actually going to my mom's, and then she's going to drive me to my appointments, because specifically my dermatologist is in like the city of Pittsburgh and there's no parking, so it was either that or take an Uber. But mom's gonna take me. But yeah, we're about to go to my doctor's appointment, and I'll catch y'all later. Hey guys, I'm back from the doctor. I actually already started getting ready to take pictures and stuff, because that's what I'm doing today, filming content. But I forgot to tell y'all how my appointment went, and it went okay. My doctor was really impressed with my weight loss. She was saying that, you know, just to keep it up basically, and that she was really impressed with the amount of weight I lost. So that was good. Sorry, I'm trying to see if I like my hair or not. But yeah, basically just keep up with my weight loss. I have been having some pain in my leg, and I was telling her about that, and I told her I do walk 5 miles a day. She was telling me I probably need like to rest or basically just take a break from walking every day. I don't take any breaks from working out, y'all, so I know I probably do need to do that. But she was saying the pain sorry, the pain in my leg might be from that, but she just kept reiterating how she was impressed with like the amount of weight I lost in such a short amount of time. So yeah, that's the update from my doctor. But we're gonna keep, you know, this week going with a weekend in my life with my weight loss journey. I did just eat not too long ago. I ate chicken and rice. I'll show y'all that later this week. It's chicken and rice. I showed y'all that before on one of my vlogs. But yeah, I ate that. I'm probably done eating for the day. Well, pretty soon here. It's like 1:42. I like to close my window between 3 and 5. This week is Thanksgiving though, so that I don't know how that's gonna be. I don't really eat Thanksgiving food, so I'm not too worried, but I do plan on drinking that day. And I am going to tell you how much weight I lose in a week. So we started on well, it's Tuesday. So we started on a Tuesday. I'm going to end this vlog next Tuesday, and we're going to see how much I lost in a week. And with Thanksgiving, I just think that's going to be interesting, because, you know, I don't know how that's going to play into like my weight loss for the week. So yeah, that's the update, and I will see y'all next scene. I might go to the gym. Well, I got to go to the gym tonight, because I didn't go this morning, or go for a walk this morning. So I'll see y'all at the gym tonight. Hey guys, it is 7:49 a.m. on Thursday. I just left the gym. I forgot to record yesterday, but it's okay, because I was just at the gym yesterday. Don't need to be repetitive with this vlog. But yeah, it's Thanksgiving. I be so nervous when I know like I'm not gonna eat healthy and I'm also drinking tonight, so that gives me so much anxiety. I don't know, because I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna gain like 10 pounds back. Even though I know I'm not, I might gain like a pound or something, but still I feel like after I eat unhealthy, it's just so hard to work it off. It's annoying, like the way my body works sometimes. So yeah, I'm nervous about eating bad. But it's okay. My therapist told me that my worth is not defined by the number on the scale, and I need to know that. I need to like believe that. I'm not gonna worry about that today. That's why I went to the gym this morning, to work some of the calories off that I'm gonna put in my body tonight. So it's okay. I'm gonna go to the gym twice tomorrow. I'll probably see y'all later just to show y'all what I'm eating today, which is not gonna be a lot. I'm more worried about me drinking because I know I'm gonna drink, but I'm not gonna eat that much food, to be honest, because I'm just not. And I'm gonna actually fast until dinner. So I think I stopped my fast at like 3 o'clock yesterday. So I'm probably gonna fast for 24 hours today, which I usually do that on Sundays when I do my family dinner with my family. Right now I've been fasting for 16 hours. So I have like 8 more hours of fast, which honestly, that's gonna be pretty easy for me. I don't know why, but fasting is not a problem for me. Like I can fast to 24 hours, but I'll see y'all at Thanksgiving, but I'll also show y'all how long I fasted. If it was 24 hours or if it was like longer or shorter, we're gonna see. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. Hey y'all, I just got back from the gym. I know I said I'll see y'all later, but it's hard for me to see myself lose weight, and I'll be looking for like little hints to tell me, I guess, even though like I know I'm losing weight because I see it on the scale, but you know, when you see yourself every day, it's hard to physically see it. So I was just about to take my little sweat thing off, and I'm like, this shit is wrapped on my back. So that's another sign, bitch, you're losing weight. Like this is not supposed to be back here. So, you know, your girl, I just look for shit like that to show me that I'm losing weight. Like my t-shirts getting bigger, or something that didn't used to fit or was tight fits now. But yeah, just little signs like that that let me know I'm doing something right. Okay, y'all, I just got to my mom's. I have been fasting for like over 23 hours, I'm pretty sure. Let me see. And I know I'm not about to eat right away when I get in here, so it's gonna be longer. And my stomach is in my ass, bitch. But I've been fasting for 23 hours. It's at the bottom. 23 hours and 21 minutes. I went 4 hours and 22 minutes past my goal, which is 19 hours. So it's gonna be a 24-hour fasting day, which is crazy. Not really. I mean, I fast for like 22 to 23 Sundays, like I said. But I'm hungry. So yeah, I'm about to go in here. I probably won't eat. It's gonna be past 24 hours when I eat, but it's okay. But yeah, I look pretty. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. I'll show y'all what I'm eating. I'm not gonna eat much, but I'll show y'all. Bye. I forgot to show y'all, but I did have a little piece of cake too. It was super thin and it wasn't that big, but they have cake for dessert. Hey guys, I don't know when the last time I picked this phone up, to be honest, but I am at the gym now. Y'all can't even see it. But I'm at the gym. I did go to the gym. Today's Saturday, by the way. I did go to the gym yesterday, Friday, and this is my second time at the gym today. I went this morning, and now it's like 8:30, and I'm going again. So I just wanted to update y'all. Also, I filmed a video. I filmed to get ready with me for my TikTok. And I talked a lot about my body dysmorphia I've been having as of recently, just because, you know, as you lose weight, and I lost like over 120 pounds now, so I damn near lost like a whole person. My body's changing, and I don't necessarily like the changes. Not that I don't like them, but I feel like as I lose more weight, I'm not gonna like them, you know? So that's been causing like really bad body dysmorphia, and I kind of talked about it on my TikTok. So I wanted to link my TikTok, well, put my TikTok on the screen so y'all could go look at that. It's just me being vulnerable about my whole weight loss situation, and that's the point of this vlog, these vlogs too, to just, you know, raw content so y'all know what it's really like losing all this weight. So yeah, go watch that video if y'all want to hear me talk about my body dysmorphia that I've been having recently. But yeah, we're about to go get this workout in, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Hey y'all, it's Monday morning. I'm about to go to the gym. What time is it? It's like 6:45. I'm about to go to the gym. Probably won't record there, but I did want to come on here because I'm gonna be later on. When's the last time I picked up the camera? I don't even know. But I went to the gym last night, which was Sunday, and also Sunday. I went to the gym twice yesterday and twice Saturday. Pretty sure. I don't know if I showed any of that. But later I'm going to be meal prepping for the week since it's Monday. And I'm going to show y'all that for the first time because I think I ever did on a week in my life vlog. I like showed y'all what I was eating, but not actually how I prep it. So I'm going to do that today, later. So yeah, but I'm about to go to the gym right now. Don't know if I'm going to record anything, but I will see y'all later when I prepare my meals for the week. What's up? I probably look insane because I just drove like 80 miles. Don't want to talk about it, but I wanted to end this vlog. I forgot to end it this morning. Yeah, it's the end it's been a week. So it is Tuesday, the 28th. I don't know when this vlog is gonna be up. Hopefully soon. Hopefully it's Tuesday. I'm gonna try to put it up Saturday or Sunday for the weekend. But yeah, I weighed myself this morning. I lost 5 pounds total this week, which is pretty good with the holiday and everything. And that's on track for what I normally lose. I've been averaging 20 pounds a month initially, because it's been 5 months, a little bit over 5 months. It's been 5 months and 10 days actually today. And I lost 126 pounds. My first month, I know I lost for sure over 30 pounds. So my first month, I went way over the 20 pounds. But on average, it's been 20 to 25 pounds a month. I know this month, I lost, damn, I forget. Okay, I lost 25 pounds this month so far. We only have 2 days left. So I'm going to say I'm going to lose like 26 pounds this month. So yeah, that's like right on track, 5 pounds, even with my cheat day, me drinking, and yeah, so that's great. But yeah, I look crazy. I'm about to go take a nap probably because I'm so tired. And I will see y'all next video. I don't know what the next video is going to be, but I'll see y'all. I'm definitely being more consistent. Hopefully y'all notice that. Y'all appreciate it, because I need to get back on my YouTube grind. That was my goal for this year, and I like completely did not achieve that goal. But You know, it's almost 2024, so I got it. All right, I'll see y'all next video. Peace.